Hello, welcome back. In this session we are going to see one issue when you cast the data to decimal. Let's open the SQL session and I have code here, and here I am using the temporary table. Okay, so the temporary table name is number, and in this temporary table I have one single field called num, and the value of that temporary field is decimal 10 of 2. Okay, so let me create the temporary table and insert the record. Okay, now select num from number table. Okay, we have 40012.56. Now I want to fraction this number with 100. So let's see. So it simply moved the decimal point to point 2 places to left side, right? So it came here 400.1256. Now let me convert this value to 2 decimal, and that's the value. And I want, again, the length is 10 and 2 decimal places I am making this calculated field, right? So now when I say make it 2 decimal, the 400.1256, when it comes to 2 decimal, since we have 5 here, it's supposed to become 400.13. But what happens? Let's see. It became 400.12. So what is happening here is it's simply truncating the decimal places to two digits. So but if you have a HANA 1.0 system, which is a very earlier system like SPS 5 or before, internally the 2 decimal conversion will do the round up and then truncate to 2 decimal places. But from SPS 6 onwards, SAP made this change, so the decimal the implicit rounding is not happening in the 2 decimal casting. So how we can make that, like, the rounding should be, you have to do the rounding exclusively. So round, let me make this okay. So let's run. Now you see the value changed from 400.12 to 400.13. So whenever you are making your casting to 2 decimal, if you want to make sure the rounding is happening correctly, then you have to use the round function exclusively. So in this case the data is casting, and also it's preserving the data format in decimal. If you can also, like, for example, if I remove this, if I run like this, still we are getting 400.13. but here we are not making sure the data is in decimal format with the 10 and 2. So if you want to make sure that, go with this. But if you don't care about the data format, then this is also fine. But the statement what I want to convey here is the implicit rounding is not happening anymore from Service Pack 6 onwards in the 2 decimal casting function. Okay, hope that is clear. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Until then, happy learning. Bye.